To have culture, you must have life. You have life, you have growth. To have root, you have to have life. And that root should not be so shallow that it could be tossed about and found by anybody that looks for it. So no, people who live the traditions that have been passed down through those who were birthed to handle the sacred, do not put it in books for everybody to use and study and use in academia and use on the internet and do these little silly videos that we've seen pop up. They don't go about it in that way. Most you'd never know exist except that the community leads you to them when necessary, because healing is in order. We're here to discuss culture and cultural continuation in spite of assimilation and bastardization, because there was a syncretation that fought off the assimilation and the bastardization of spiritual rituals of African spirituality or Afro spirituality. This, when my people did it, when the spiritual people did it, the Yeddi, they come together. We crakin teet, the Yeddi, they come together. They feel that breath, that spirit, they come together. Try the spirit, by the spirit. And so a lot of you who look like me, have the same melanated skin, have gone away from who we be and have given away our golden tortoise to Western society.